Sorry. How about I back it up, I park it. You film me backing it up, or however you want to do it, and I get out and go, welcome to the Kenny Miller rodderfiles. You can do whatever you want. And, here's celebrity cars, and I'll just get the hell out of the way. That's it. Cool. We can do that. Go back to where you go. Okay.
This the interior on the 1970 Chevrolet 108 camper van. It's a high top. Sleeping area. I'm sure this folds down. It's got a Frigidaire refrigerator. Camping sink. Cool hippie curtains. Two-burner stove top. And shag carpet. Lots of storage. Enjoy the journey. So this is a 1970 Chevrolet 108 camper van, done in Jerry Garcia hippie style. Grateful Dead stickers. We got video of the undercarriage, the interior. Now for the exterior. It's got a great high top. Tow package. And you just don't see very many 1970 Chevrolet vans these days. The passenger side looks equally as nice. It's got a beautiful new paint job on it, two-tone, green and white. Chrome wheel package. Also has a 350 V8 if I didn't mention that already. And this sucker is for sale. At Celebrity Cars Las Vegas. Look at the front end on that thing. Great big old windshield. Great looking van. Message me if you're interested at rodderfiles@gmail.com. And we'll get you in this beauty after you had a chance to check it out.